It feels like a ghost will pop out.
I'm so scared. Me too.
It's spooky, yes, sirree, Bob.
There's no such thing as a ghost, you guys. Oh. Cocomong, would you stop fooling around?
Oh, Cocomong's with Ago. He's not with us.
Then what was that?
That sounds like Adomi's voice. Let's go check it out.
Okay, Ago, wait for me! What do we do?
Let go! I demand that you let go! You think Take this!
Cool, that hurts!
Today is mine! I'm the winner! Potato-pow, hurry and bring that ginger over here to me!
Yes, sir. What should I do without this ginger?
I just wanted to tell you, I think you're great.
Oops. Clumsy me. Oopsie. What should I do? I dropped all the ginger by accident. Oh, it's so slippery stepping on the ginger. Oh.
What is that?
Cocomong, are we almost there? We just have a little further to go. Why isn't the car moving?
We're in a chocolate swamp, Cocomong.
We're sinking deeper and deeper, yes, sirree!
Cocomong, we're sinking into the swamp. What do we do? Don't worry, you guys. Hellas Robocop! Hey guys, what's that sound?
You all could have been really hurt, Cole. Are you okay, Cole?
Thank you, Robocop.
Hold on tight, Cole.
The secret of Ghost Forest. Oh my goodness! I weigh 0.333 kilograms more than I did yesterday.
What? So what's the big deal?
So what's the big deal? Padak, promise me. Pinky promise, thumb to thumb, swipe it, no backsies. You can't tell our friends that I've gained weight. Never ever. Promise, okay?
Don't worry, but I won't tell anyone, I promise. Hey, guys! Aromi gained 0.333 kilograms overnight. Can you believe it?
That's nothing. It's only 0.333 kilograms.
That's all, Dory, that's all? I don't think you know just how serious this is to Aromi. Padak!
Oh, yeah? Hey, guys. Hi. Hey, Atomy. I heard from a little bird that you gained 0.333 kilograms. What? Padak, you told, didn't you? But you promised me that you wouldn't.
I just couldn't keep it to myself. Sorry.
Atomy-zo! Batty boom baladi, batty boom baladi.
That's enough, Cocomong. You're hurting Adomi's feelings.
That's it. I'm not going to eat a single thing from now on. I'm not going to eat anything until my weight returns to normal. That's easier said than done, Atomy. I haven't eaten all day today. I'm so hungry. Oh, they look so good. Huh? Oh, I can't think of yummy food right now. I can't. What's this yummy smell? Yummy corn dogs, come and get some! These amazing corn dogs let you eat as many as you want, and you won't gain an ounce of weight. It's like magic. Enjoy some now, then lose weight in a flash like this fellow here. Huh? What? I can eat as many as I want, and I won't gain weight? Is that true? I really won't gain any weight? Oh, don't you worry. Actually, the weight will fall right off of you.
Whoa.
But that's impossible. How can you lose weight by eating? Oh, let me show you something. This guy looked like this before he started eating the corn dogs. However, after eating these corn dogs, he's transformed into this slim fellow. Wow! Is that really true?
Poor gullible Atomy. How on earth can you lose weight by eating a lot of food? Starving all day long was pointless, because you'll be stuffing your face all night. When Atomy wakes up tomorrow morning, she'll realize just how unhealthy it is to eat a lot of food late at night.
What's the matter?
Look, you guys. Look at my face.
What in the world happened to your pretty face?
I have no idea. There must have been something wrong with the corn dogs I ate last night.
Atomy, did you really eat all of these?
They said the more you ate of the magic corn dogs, the more you lost.
Oh, Atomy.
There's no such food in this world
That does that.
What should I do now? Am I stuck with this face for the rest of my life? This has Virus King written all over it. Knew it! It's just as I thought. Atomy, just leave it to us. There has to be a secret food that will turn your face back to normal. Where is this place?
This place is
Huh?
the ghost forest.
The ghost forest?
There's a magical golden pumpkin that grows only once every 100 years in the ghost forest.
Golden pumpkin?
Yeah, pumpkins are low in calories and good for the skin. However, the first one to touch the golden pumpkin will be doomed by a scary ghost curse.
Ghost? There's no such thing as ghosts, you guys, so don't worry.
But Aggle, how do we find the golden pumpkin?
Well, I heard that the golden pumpkin will suddenly appear at the stroke of midnight.
Okay, why don't we split up and look for it?
Okay.
Come on, follow me! Come on, Aggle, let's get going. We'll go this way. Dory, let's take the path on the left.
Okay, Atomy.
It feels like a ghost will pop out.
I'm so scared. Me too.
Spooky as a rebob.
There's no such thing as a ghost, you guys. Cocomong, would you stop fooling around?
Oh, Cocomong's with Aggle. He's not with us.
Then what was that?
That sounds like Atomy's voice. Let's go check it out.
Okay, Aggle, wait for me!
You're finally all here.
Virus King!
You can search all you want, but you won't find a decent pumpkin. Why not? Because I made sure to contaminate all the pumpkins in this forest with my bacteria.
What? Those were Candy Pow and Potato-pow?
How much lower can you go? Virus King, let my friends go right now or else!
Cocomong! If Atomy hadn't eaten late at night in secret, then none of this would have happened. So the one to blame isn't me. The one to blame is Atomy.
You're right as always, Virus King.
I'm sorry, you guys.
Doc Pow, teach those brats a lesson they'll never forget.
Rubicon, mobilize!
Are you okay?
Of course! Way to go, Rubicon!
Robocong may have shown up, but he won't be able to help. Pumpkin bacteria bomb fire!
Rubicon, are you okay?
Now this time it's your turn, you rascals! Huh?
Huh? Cocomong, it's midnight. It's time for the golden pumpkin.
What's that?
The golden pumpkin really appeared.
Cocomong, it's time. You have to give the golden pumpkin to Robocong.
Yep, don't worry!
Don't even try it. Huh? What's that? Potato-pow? Did you press the wrong button again?
Not me. I didn't press anything this time.
Huh? What's this sound?
What do we do?
I'm so scared, Virus King. I think they're ghosts.
Maybe the ghosts are angry because we destroyed all the pumpkins in the forest.
There's no such thing as ghosts. Huh. This is all just a stupid trick. Huh? What's that?
It's a ghost!
Why are they so mad?
I knew it. It looks like they've been cursed by the ghost because they touched the pumpkin first. Go get it, Cocomong.
Yep, I've got this! Rubicon, catch!
We're so sorry. Please forgive us.
Rubicon, do it now! Pumpkin fresh air blaster!
Will do. Ho!
Rubicon, now spray Atomy and turn her face back to normal.
Will do. Kong.
Wow! Atomy's face is back to normal again! I didn't know this lumpy-looking pumpkin would be so good for your body. No siree, Bob!
I'm really relieved.
I'm so glad my face has shrunk back to normal. I'm going to eat a lot of pumpkins from now on.
Atomy. But more important than that is not to eat food late at night.
Yeah, I know.
Hey guys, there are no real ghosts that watch over the golden pumpkin, right? Of course not. There's no such thing as ghosts in this world. Run, Potato-pow, run!
Here you go.
Wow, it looks yummy. Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Oh, look, there's ice cream over there.
Ice cream? Where? Let's go, let's go! Yeah.
Welcome, children. Oh, the Kong brothers.
Huh? Do you know us?
Do you? You look really familiar to me.
Oh, it's me, Potato. I'm Potato Clown.
Hold on.
Oh.
I wonder. Is that your real nose?
Pretty cool, huh? Hey, you want to try some ice cream?
You're just giving this to me?
I am. Here for you too. Bye now. Oh. Phew, that was too close for comfort, huh? Oh. I guess this one's for me to eat. Oh, that's right. And the last one left is for me.
Oh, you rascal!
Oh.
That ice cream is not for you. Hurry and go to Cool Village and hand out this ice cream to all the little kitties there.
Oh, why Virus King wants me to give this ice cream to only the village kids is beyond me.
Hey, bet you can't catch me! Boy, you're slow. Come on, guys, just stop it! I can't hear you! Why don't you say that to my face? Oh, please, give it back! You do have potato head! You're a running nose crybaby!
That hurts! Knock it off!
Knock it off! That's so funny!
Here. Are you okay, little boy?
What? Yeah. Thank you, mister.
This is yours, right? Oh dear, it's pretty messed up.
It's okay. But do I know you, mister?
Oh no, I'm just an ice cream salesman over there. Here, you can have this.
What? Oh, no, it's okay.
No, really, I want you to have it. Go ahead, taste it. Is it good?
Yes, it's really good. But, hey, mister, you have a bump on your head.
Huh? Oh, you're right.
Here, bend down for a minute.
Huh? Oh?
I tend to fall down a lot, so I always carry this around with me. All done. You'll be as good as new soon.
You know, it doesn't hurt anymore. Oh, brother, this is harder than I thought.
It's okay. You tried your best.
Oh, no. I promise to fix this for you for sure.
Really, you will? Now we can play together and have fun. Follow me, hurry up. Wow, this is fun. Huh?
Oh boy, time flies when you're having fun.
Huh? Yeah, I guess I should be going home now.
Okay.
Thank you for the ice cream, mister.
Bye, take care, little boy. Goodbye.
Hey, mister, I just wanted to tell you I think you're great.
Oh?
Let's play together again next time.
Okay, go home safely. Bye-bye.
You too, mister.
Bye-bye.
Perfect. My brilliant cold virus is getting stronger and stronger.
I've never seen such a powerful cold virus before.
Virus King, sir. I finished giving out the ice cream to all the children, sir.
Good job, Potato-pow. Now go give out the rest of the ice cream as well.
What? There's more?
Of course there is. That's how I'm going to make those cool village rascals catch the worst cold of their lives.
Ah, yes, catch the worst cold of their lives. Oh, catch the worst cold.
When those brats are all sick from eating my cold virus ice cream, I'll go make an attack on Sing Sing Village.
Your genius always shines through, Virus King.
They will all be sick? And the ice cream I gave out, little boy.
What are you waiting for? Hurry and go give out more ice cream to those little critters.
Sir, I won't let you down. This is bad. The little boy might catch a cold. I finally found him. Oh, I hope the little boy is okay. Oh. Oh no, he caught a cold after all. This is terrible. Huh? Huh? Cocomong. That's it. I bet the Kong brothers are sick with a cold too.
This is terrible. I can't believe you caught such a bad cold. I wonder what's good for a cold. What do we do? We need the secret food that's good for colds.
The secret food? What could it be? Oh, what is it? Oh?
I know what it is. Ginger. Let's hurry to the farm and dig up some ginger.
Okay.
Oh yeah?
Hey guys,
Ginger,
please
is
stay
it?
put and we'll
I have to
get
get there
ginger.
first. Hurry. Oh, it smells spicy. I never knew ginger was good for a cold. Go figure.
Here we are.
Potato-pow?
Cocomong! Virus King!
Oh, my Potato-pow. What on earth are you doing here?
You see, I was getting some ginger.
What? Ginger?
Oh, my. Were you trying to get rid of the ginger before Cocomong came?
We need to give that ginger to the Kong brothers because they caught a cold.
I guess even the 3P brothers got a taste of my brilliant cold virus ice cream. Nice work, Potato-pow.
Virus King!
But the 3Ps aren't alone. All the little village brats that ate my ice cream are sick with a terrible cold, too. And you're not safe from catching it either. Ice cream gun fire!
Robocop, mobilize!
Robocong! Dark Pow! Fire the ice cream gun! Take that! Fire!
What do we do?
Let go! I demand that you let go! You tin can! Take this!
Cold that hurts!
Today is mine! I'm the winner! Potato-pow, hurry and bring that ginger over here to me!
Yes, sir. What should I do? Without this ginger...
I just wanted to tell you, I think you're great.
Oops. Clumsy me. Oopsie. What should I do? I dropped all the ginger by accident. Oh, it's so slippery stepping on the ginger. Oh.
What is that numbskull doing right now?
Your guess is as good as mine.
Boy, oh boy, why is it so slippery?
Ginger? Robocop, catch!
Kong!
Dark Pow attack! Ice cream gun fire!
Whoa!
Oh, it's spicy.
Oh, why is it so spicy?
It's ginger tea. Ginger is really good for curing a cold.
Okay, I'm gonna give some ginger tea to the village kids.
Okay. Hey, guys, thank you.
You'll be better in no time now.
Oh, I wonder if the little boy is still sick.
Huh? My helicopter. Wow. Hey, mister. Wow. Hey, mister, thank you so much. Oh, Greedy Naecong. I wonder what the snack will be today.
Well, I hope this was worth the wait.
Yummy, yummy, my lovely cookies!
That little Naecong is after my very own heart.
He sure is, sir. He's greedy just like you, and he's even short, Virus King.
If Naecong loves eating food that much, then I'm gonna have to give him a very special present. Candy-pow, potato-pow, let's move out!
Yes, Virus King, sir.
Who is it? I have a cake here for Mr. Dukong. Huh? For Dukong? No, I can't. This cake belongs to Dukong. Come on, it's your favorite. Strawberries with freshly whipped cream. Don't you want to eat it? I want to eat it. You can't. You can't eat someone's food without their permission. Yeah, you're right. Who cares? Dukong's not even here. Go ahead and have a taste. It's not gonna hurt anyone. A taste? Oh, no, don't! Wow, so yummy! Oh, you can't! Oh, leave him alone, will ya? Why would you want to share something so yummy? If you eat everything before the others come, then no one's gonna know a thing.
But where in the world has Naecong run off to?
Maybe he's hiding somewhere eating by himself again.
Naecong!
I think he has indigestion because he ate too quickly.
How can we help him, Cocomong?
Where's the secret food that helps with indigestion? Aha!
If we go here, I'm sure we'll find a secret food that will cure Neekong's indigestion.
Cocomong, are we almost there?
We just have a little further to go. Why isn't the car moving?
We're in a chocolate swamp, Cocomong.
We're sinking deeper and deeper, yes sirree!
Cocomong, we're sinking into the swamp. What do we do?
Don't worry, you guys. Hellas Robocop!
Hey guys, what's that sound?
You all could have been really hurt, Cole. Are you okay, Cole?
Thank you, Robocop.
Hold on tight, Cole.
Ew, these don't look very yummy. Those red and yellow mushrooms over there look way yummier, don't you
Those
think?
are poisonous mushrooms. You're a goner if you eat them.
Aha! Dark Pow?
Huh? Isn't this the mushroom forest?
Uh-huh. The secret food that we're looking for must be mushrooms. Cocomong, hurry and see if I'm right.
Okay. Nothing's coming up on the radar.
What? Nothing?
Did you think I'd let you take the mushrooms so easily?
Christine!
It's no fun if I let you take them without a fight. If you can knock me down, then I'll give you the mushrooms.
Oh, Robocop? Leave it to me, Cole.
Huh. You think you can beat me with that lousy scrap metal robot? Spore mold spray attack! Huh. What, you slippery tin can robot? Super nozzle attack!
Robocop has fallen down. Cocomong, hurry and throw him a mushroom.
Robocop, knock down Darko!
Robocop's acting weird.
Robocop, what's the matter?
I'm dizzy.
Poisonous mushrooms!
The cat's out of the bag, but it's still too late. Before you rascals came, I sprayed all the mushrooms with my poisonous mushroom spore mold spray. You can look all you want, but I bet you won't find a real button mushroom anywhere.
Hey, Cocomong, look. The mushrooms under this big tree haven't changed color at all.
All right, this is the real button mushroom that we need. Let's give it to Robocop.
You think I'd just sit by and let you have that mushroom? Dark Pow, get that mushroom from those brats!
We'll take the mushroom, thank you. Nah.
What? Those little pig peas?
Huh? Naecong, go, go!
Why, you little... Stop moving!
We're almost there. Just one more turn.
I've got you, you rascals! I dare you to try and run away like before. Huh? What? Now, where did that brat get away?
Robocong!
Robocong, go and rescue Dukong!
Will do, Kong.
Why, those annoying little Kong brothers! Dark-Pow! Get rid of that old piece of junk!
Huh? Robocong!
Robocong, blast mushroom fresh air!
Mushroom pressure? Blasting!
Dark-Pow! Counter-attack!
Naecong, just hang in there.
We'll make you feel better soon.
Robocong, are you ready?
I am ready, Kong.
Blast mushroom fresh air!
Wow! I feel refreshed and energized!
Wow, we're so happy!
Hey guys, is there anything to eat?
Naecong is just impossible!